customize a back button and a front button in Java Netbeans. So please, if you are new to this channel, forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you get our updates, and also don't forget to comment so we can improve on our teaching methods and share too. So thank you. Diving straight to our course, we're going to go to our Netbeans, and right here we're going to go to a new project, and then we take Java application, and we're going to take next, and here we're going to name it back front button. Okay, I click on finish, and from here we get our new class. So we're going to go to projects, and right here we have back front button project, and we're going to go to back button package, and right here we're going to right click and we'll create a new JFrame. So you're just going to look for JFrame here, JFrame form, and we're going to name this let's just give this back. Let's give this back, and right here we're going to create another JFrame exterior here, new JFrame form. We're going to name this one front, and right here finish. So here we have our back and our front JFrame. So we're going to start customizing this back, so you can expand this to whatever size you want, and you can actually add a color panel here to give it to style it. So we're going to give a background color. Let's say we're going to give it something this color, and we're just going to put a label on this. So we're going to put edit, and we're just going to type welcome home. And we're going to go ahead and right click on this and format properties. I'm just going to change this font to bold. We'll do something like this, and I'm going to put it to something like this. I'm going to close this, and we're going to change this color here. I think yellow is going to go. So from here we're going to say welcome home. So we're going to add a button here, and we're going to place it somewhere around here. I'm going to edit this button, go to properties. I'm going to change the color to that's a foreground. I'm going to change it to something yellow as well, and we're going to change the font to maybe something to this, and we're going to change this text to front, and we're going to change this to bold too. Change this color to red. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna do the same here. So what I'll do is I'll just right click on this, and I'll click copy, and right here I'm going to paste. So we have everything. So you just right click on your JFrame, and you press Command C, and right here you press Command V to. So I'm going to change this to back from, let's put this to main. Yes, and right here we're going to customize this front button. We're going to right click on this front button and go to event, action perform, and right here we're going to write a code for back. So we're going to put first this dot height, and our next code we're going to put the name of this JFrame here, and we're going to put this front because we want it to go to front, so we're going to put front, and whatever name we can just put F arrow here, so it equals to new front, and right here we're going to put F arrow dot set visible, and right here we're going to include true, that is true, we're going to display. So if we should run this, okay, so front here, so if I click on this, that's taking us to welcome. So this will work because we haven't customized this. So to customize this, you can actually copy this code and just change this front to back. So we're going to go to this our JFrame, and right here we're going to right click equally, go to event, action perform, and right here we're going to customize this. So now first we have this, and we have height. Okay, so next we're going to type the name of this, that's back, equals to, we're going to also put B, sorry, yeah, BCK equals to new back, and right down here we're going to put BCK dot set visible, and right here we're going to put true, and right here this is supposed to be BC, is supposed to be back, and here we include arrow, and this is cool to go. So if we should run this, let's run this code. Okay, from here we click on front, here we click on back, it takes us back to welcome home. We click on front, takes us here, welcome in, it takes us here, we close this, and it works all through. So now let me get to explain you this code. So this height actually is, this line of code is going to hide this JFrame if we should go to the front. So we're going to hide this back JFrame, and for this actually front, it is the name of this JFrame we want to move to, this JFrame. So from here we just said front this JFrame, and F arrow is the name we replace this front, and set visible true. If we should change this to false, then it's not going to display this JFrame. So if we set this to false, it's not going to display this JFrame. So let's try this. So if I set this to false, so if we should run this, and if we click on this, it's just going to disappear, but the other one is not going to pop up. So if we now put this to true, and then we run this, Okay, so if we click on front, it's going to go take us to the main. If we click on this, it's going to take us home. So I think it's going to be all for our video of today. So please don't forget, if you are new, to hit the like button, subscribe also, so you get notified with our latest videos. Thank you for watching. To Dark Coder from Dark Coder Technologies, and see you next